Hey, what's up guys, Sebastian here again, and in this video I want to show you how to make money with sales funnels. So I'm going to be explaining again what are sales funnels. I'm going to be using my iPad over here to show you with doodles how the process works and then how you can start applying them to sell products, services, anything, right? You can sell anything. You can even use them for offline businesses to get clients to offline businesses. So before I start talking about making money with sales funnels, showing you several examples here and drawing some examples, I want to tell you what are sales funnels. Sales funnels are the modern marketing tools that allow you to take people from the internet, right, to purchase your products or services by guiding them through a series of pages that go in order so that they end up buying your products. Just a simple pages, right? Simple pages that take people through steps so that they end up buying your product in the end of the funnel, right? So if you've seen a sales funnel in real life, a funnel in real life, like a plastic funnel, it goes like this. That's because most people, if you make the metaphor in the internet, most people will come over here, let's say 1,000 people, and from the 1,000 people, maybe 15 buy, right, in the bottom of the funnel. It's the same thing online. Maybe you're going to send 1,000 people to your sales funnel, but 5 are going to purchase your product. That's exactly how it works. So it's just a series of steps. Now, obviously, online, it doesn't look like this. It looks like page, and page, and the visitor is going from page 1 to page 2, page 3, page 4. So having said that, I'm going to show you how a sales funnel looks like. So it's just a series of pages, right? So page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4. A sales funnel can have many different pages, okay? It can have 5 pages, it can have 2 pages, it can have 15 pages or 30 pages. There are many different steps, right? Each of these pages is called really a step, a funnel step. Step is like the equivalent of a page, right? They also call them landing pages. So each of these things that you see right here, they also call them landing pages, simply because people land on the page. So that's that. So people are going to go from the first step, they're going to go into step number 2, and then step number 3, and then step number 4. And the idea is that by the end of the process, they end up paying you money for whatever you have to offer. Why do we use sales funnels in the first place? Why can't we just send people to a website? Well, because you got to think that people are not prepared to buy. They have to be guided through a series of steps so that they complete a purchase. You send someone to your website, a general website. It has a contact us page, about us page, services, testimonials, products, resources, tools, privacy policy. They don't know where to start. They're like, okay, everything is cool, but how can I get started? They want a step-by-step process. That's why you guide people by steps. Step 1, enter your email. Step 2, go and check your email for the email that I sent you. Step number 3, click on that email, go to that link and go to this page. Step number 4, watch this video. Video sells them a product, right? That's what a sales funnel is, and that's how they work. Having said that, let's just open a new tab over here. How can you make money with sales funnel? Well, if you want to make a sales funnel work, you gotta guide people, you gotta send people from social media to the funnels, right? So you gotta have people from social media to start going through this process. And actually, you know what, let's draw it differently. Everything starts, guys, by placing an ad, right? You're gonna place an ad. Let's say this is a Facebook ad simply because it's blue. Then the second step will be sending people to the first step of the funnel, the first page, right? The first page of the funnel is gonna be, let's do step 1. I'm just trying to teach you also the kind of like the vocabulary that you use in these topics: sales funnels, steps, landing pages. Step 1. Now, this step is usually what's gonna be called an opt-in page. Opt-in page. So opt-in page. Why is it called an opt-in page? Because people have to opt in. They have to give us their email address to receive something in exchange, something that's for free, something super valuable. I don't know if you've seen some of my funnels, funnels where I tell you, hey, want to get this free training? Just go to this page, enter your email address, and I will send it to you by email. Or sometimes I do like, hey, want to get my free ebook, want to get my newest book, then just enter your name, I will send it to your email. Hey, want to register to this webinar? Perfect, enter your name and email. Hey, want to attend my live trainings, whatever, enter your name and email. Or want to get a free sample of something, and name and email. That's an opt-in page because people have to enter their email address, right? And I just want to see that, yeah, this is recording for sure. Okay, so enter email. Enter the email on the opt-in page. This is really ugly letters. Second step of the funnel is usually what's going to be called a thank you page, right? This is usually going to be called a thank you page. Now, the funnels vary, right? You can have a funnel for e-commerce, you can have another one for courses, you can have another funnel that's to get people on a call. So they get on a call with you and you sell them something expensive in the call. What else? So this is called a thank you page. Thank you. Let's just call it thank you, right? And basically, this is where you say, hey, thank you for entering your email address and receiving the free training. Here's what to do next, right? So in this case, let's say I'm giving out a free training. Why would I give a free training? Well, because in the free training, I'm going to teach them / sell them something. So, hey, if you want to get this e-commerce training, enter your name and email. Boom, they enter their name and email. Next page is the thank you page. In the thank you page, hey, thank you for getting my free training. Please go check your email because I send the training to your email. But in the meantime, check out this awesome book that you should start reading before you actually go to your email to get the training. And you can sell a $10 ebook over here, right? Maybe it's an ebook, something cheap, right? Where you make some money to make back some of the money that you invested on advertisement over here. Right? So you're making, let's say you make $1 over here, and you spend $1 over here, it means you broke even. You're spending $1, you're making $1, you can scale unlimitedly, right? So you can scale like massively, sorry. Okay, so that's step number 2. Step number 3, I mean, I can go on step 3, 4, 5, can be an upsell where you offer, after they buy the book, you offer another thing and another thing. In the meantime, while all of these things are happening, the person received email number 1, right? I just do it like this. Email 1. What are they gonna get in email number 1? Well, they're gonna get the training, right? The training that you gave them. So you're gonna, in email number 1, you're gonna give them, I'm just gonna do a general deliver offer. What is the offer? The free training, the free PDF, the free webinar, the free podcast, the free sample, all that stuff, right? Apart from that, you can tell your email marketing software like Aweber, for instance, hey, I don't only want to send one email, I want to send out 30 automatic emails. So you can write email number 2, which is going to be sent day number 2, then email number 3, and so on and so forth, right? Email 2, email 3. And in these emails, you can give, this can be an email where you just give value, you just teach them something. And in this other one, you can sell something, right? So value, value, sell, value, value, sell. This is the process of how a sales funnel works, how you can make money with a sales funnel. But let's also use an example for another type of business. So I want to show you an example for someone that's, let's say, selling consulting, right? If you're a coach, maybe you are a fitness expert, you want to sell consulting or coaching online. Maybe you are a marketing expert, you want to sell marketing, coaching online. Let's say that you are maybe a math expert, whatever, you want to give tutories. You want to teach people online about math, right? You have a system, you teach them on Skype or whatever. Then this is going to be a different type of funnel. There are many different types of funnels. And if you go in the link in the description, there's going to be a training about sales funnels, how everything works. You will even get an example of my own funnel, so you can check it out. But let's just open a new tab. Let's check how a funnel to sell coaching, any service, right, works. It's more simple than you think. You create an ad, and in the ad you say, let's see, hey, struggling to trim off an extra 10 pounds? Then schedule a call with me or get a free one-on-one consultation to help me make a plan to reach your goals. Something like that, right? You gotta stay compliant, don't make like false claims like lose 100 pounds in 10 days. You say like, hey, if you're struggling to reach your health goals, I'm gonna help you by doing that, by giving you a free one-on-one consultation. The free one-on-one consultation is the thing you're giving them for free, right? But it's kind of like a consultation slash sales call, right? You just wanna get people on the phone, because on the phone it's very easy to close your sales. So you place an ad, it's a video ad. Let's say it's a video ad, so let's just use like a little icon for video. And then you're gonna send them to the first step of the funnel, right? Step number 1. What is step number 1? An opt-in page, right? Step 1. They enter their email, right? So you have maybe like a video over here explaining what they will get for free, right? Maybe you have like some text here on the top, a headline, and in here you're gonna have a button where they're gonna click the button so that they enter the email address, right? So now that they enter the email address, you're gonna start building your list, right? Email list, very important. You build an email list. If you don't build an email list, there's no business. You don't build a following, you don't build an audience somewhere, you don't have a business. If you only depend on the ads over here, it's gonna be a very, very unstable business. But if you have an email list, a database of people that you can literally just write an email right now, push a button, click on a button, and send an email to 20,000 people, 10,000 people, that's a real business, because it's push button. I hate this word, but it's push button money. If you write a good email and you send it to your list, you can make a lot of money. Because if you have 10,000 people on your list, and let's say that 2,000 people open the email, and from 2,000 people, maybe 20 people buy an offer, that's 50 bucks, 20 times 50, is good money, right? Just by sending one simple email. That's why you want to build your list. That's why you collect the email. We don't collect the email just because we think it's fun. It's because we are going to build our email list. Now, the second step to sell coaching, consulting, any service online through the phone, it's the second step of the funnel, which is the thank you page, but it's like a different thank you page, right? It's a little bit modified. So step number 2 is going to be the thank you page. So in here, you're going to have like a video, right? The thank you page video. You're going to be like, hey, thank you for applying for the one-on-one consultation call that you can get absolutely for free to help you reach your goals, right? But in the bottom, you're going to have a form where they can literally just schedule a call by using the form. They're going to be like, oh, you know what? I want, this is just a calendar, just in case. 8, 9, sorry, that's the 9, 10, 11, 12, blah, 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 right? And they're going to say, oh, you know what? I want the call on the 2nd, right? They schedule a call, right? And they schedule a call, right? You schedule a call. And now what you're going to do is you're going to get, and this is going to be a phone, right? This is just going to be your phone. You're going to get on the phone, and in the phone, you're going to sell them something. You're going to help them. You're going to give them some value to help them reach their goals. And they're going to be like, whoa, this was all for free. What else can they offer? How else can they help me? And you're going to tell them, look, if you found this call valuable, I want to offer you extra personalized training. Do you think that by getting one-on-one training with me, I will help you reach your goals? Even if you just found this valuable, do you think if we get on a more personalized program, do you think you can help you reach your goals? They'll be like, of course, how much is it? You're like, hey, it's, I don't know, whatever, 500 bucks. And now you made 500 bucks, but you would never have made those 500 bucks if you didn't guide people through this funnel, right? Through this simple process. They enter the email, that's commitment. They go to the second step, they schedule the call, and third step is get on the call, right? This is a funnel for phone calls, right? For experts, for consultations, for services. There are funnels for e-commerce as well. If you want to see a real life example, guys, just go on the link in the description. It's going to be a funnel to teach you how to build an online business, from scratch if you're 100% new, but like both purposes, right? You hit 2 birds with 1 stone. You're going to get the information from my own funnel, but just take a look at the pages that I make. It's a working funnel. It makes a lot of money. So that thing, you can model it so you can see a real life example. But this is how you make money with sales funnels, guys. And the cool thing here is that if you place a Facebook ad, right, a Facebook ad, and you send people to a funnel, right, just pages, I'm not going to make it a lot of details, just pages, more pages, and you spend $10 per day on Facebook, right, but your funnel makes $20 per day because you're making 20, you're selling maybe a $20 product, so you're making 20 and you're spending 10. Wouldn't you want to spend a lot more on ads, right? A lot more on ads, so that more people go through this funnel and end up buying your products? It means that that's how you scale to big numbers, because in here, let's say that now you don't want to spend $10 a day, you want to spend $100 a day, but now instead of making $20 a day, you are making $200 per day, and that gives you $100 a day profit, $3,000 per month. Now let's say you want to scale crazy, you want to spend $1,000 a month because you're making twice the money. Let's say that your funnel is good, you make $2,000 a day in sales. Now you make $1,000 per day in profit, $30,000 a month, and you want to scale and you spend $2,005. That's how you grow a massive business. That's how I grew my Instagram profile. That's how I grew my YouTube channel as well. That's how I built my digital products business. That's how I built my e-commerce business. That's how I built my consulting business. Everything through sales funnels, simple steps that guide people through a process where you teach them stuff, give them value, and also sell them things. That's how you make money with sales funnels. Now the tool, how do you create these sales funnels? You don't need a lot of money to create funnels. You don't need a lot of experience. You don't need to be a coder to create these pages. I use a software called ClickFunnels, right? And you're gonna get the link in the description. You can get a free trial of ClickFunnels. I've been using it for the past 2 to 3 years. ClickFunnels is drag and drop. Literally, just take like a text, you drag it, and you put the text, and you drag a video, and you put the video below the text, and then you put like drag a button and push below the button, and now you have a beautiful page without being a coder, a designer, or anything. And it's very, very cheap for the amount of money that you could save in coders and all those things. It's called ClickFunnels. Anyways, if you want to learn more about funnels, about sales funnels and those things, and you want to see a real life example, there's a link below this video to go through my online business training funnel. You can get the lessons, the training, plus you want to see a real life example, you're going to see an example right here. Anyways, I'm planning to create more content about this because this is really how most marketers make their money, how most entrepreneurs, most marketers tell you the newest software, the newest push button solution. I know how it works, right? I meet these people live. I'm going to a Shopify mastermind, private Shopify event in about 2 weeks. I meet all these people. Everyone uses sales funnels. They don't want to talk a lot about it because it's not a sexy topic, but it's how most people make their money. Grant Cardone uses sales funnels, Ty Lopez, Gary Vee. I've been using sales funnels for years. Most marketers use sales funnels. Go to all the different YouTube channels and videos from people that you follow, and you're gonna find a link somewhere that guides them through a funnel, and they're gonna make money when you buy something. So anyways, that's how you make money with sales funnels. Hope you found it valuable. If you're enjoying these videos with the doodles, just let me know below to see if I continue making them or if I just go screen sharing or something. Apart from that, if you like it, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.